Tivesto Murunzi nakutangira wasiba kurungi eshaha zaba ibiri zicirone shaha y'amakuru gitagacenjwire agutwa kurundanira izoberi ntuijaga kusyaho botuno okurgaha kashozi boma omurembo urwambara irizoba ryabizoba ry'urwakana ebiro mushanju ebyo kwezi kwa gatano umwaka ogw'2026 makuru agacenjwire agutwa kurundanira izoberi oraga kusyaho Elias Rutugusa hamwe na mutahi wanje Sande Brian no rumo rwo bonero konka tagaga kureta irumbwijire reka tworeke bikuru ebyija bgebembire rero nabwanyuma tujaga kuretera umbwijire
emitwe y'amakuru ne kuhikibwaho blended pure vegetable cooking oil second best to a mother's love
Omugace ncwire cereki eceragire cha trade odo muri banda municipality ebintu byacwecerezibwa
ecubentwe ndezo muyaga twendeze mpango umuyaga wakozereki
abashubuzo mu Rushema municipality nibetombwitire emishoro y'ekishobobo eyibarukushashura ishabarisa witware ryambara yacurura umugenzi John Bosco Kazora
emitwe y'amakuru yabane kuhikibwaho refined fortified blended pure vegetable cooking oil second best to a mother's love
Karentongera okutangira omakuru gitagacenjwire orukuzaga kusyaho Elias Rutugusa hamwe na mutahi wanje Sande Brian no worumi orwo bonero twatandikira umuri banda municipality erizuba abashubuzi basiba omunako hamwe na namaziga bwanyuma y'ebintu byabo okucwecerezibwa hansi y'ikiragire cha trade order ikiragire eki na no kucwecereza ebintu kwatandika erizuba muri banda municipality kandi kwija ku marebero 5
okumarebero bibiri abahirwo bonero ngo amajugabo nagija kushenywa bekoziremo moga bayeshenyera kanderi izoba abayangire kweshenyera gasi bagarya marane naku ekikwekweteki cyatandikira hari ibiri obwo barukushenyi ikorero ry'entebe kandi kucayi ku mutawuni embera yatabuka bamwe bitwe naku kandi abandi barebwa barukwesimura marahamisho ahabwe mbere yabahikaho bamwe babiri bahindukire banyantagambwaho ahashaheji babanu bakomame byabo
babiri babagambire ekiragiro cyatandika gukora je twakafunye mu buzuru kandi president bongera kumusima kuba operezende mbo no kumanya sayiti yo muntu atemye kubali na nabantu kureba ngo buri omoyaza asetse
ni ishasha munonga aho kureba ibintu byituba yo babisenya batuwoningira umwakantu kake twabagamana batuwoninga kazu kahango bayanga batebiro musanzu byongo mwenanye ni isasa government igiri kujya twashamo
abo ni isasa bakabagana muno kabakikuru abayina mukaka buterekeye bakasenya no France kababwata so government aho nore bukavaro kwikire kandi aho kubigwira
Deo tugume orukure by'ubushubuza bwa district Ibanda yagira ngo tino barukuza kwitirerisho kandi ekikwekwetoni kija kugumizamo ku marena ku 5
removing especially unwanted structures illegal structures temporary structures kandi bindi twenda kubasima bibanda bagezo complyinga ebinji ecubentwe ndezo muyaga twendeze mpango umuyaga wakozereki wakitira hansi twubashaba mugere mutwe mirungi
gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe
Bare Timothy Mushabe kandi ejo niyo mbera Elizobe yasibo mutawuni ya Ibanda. Elizoba nawe habaho akesharingo muri kanso ya Chenjojo district obwe ba kansara barukakanise cha Reverend Moses Atire kansara mutahi wabo okugaruka mu kanso kandi yahirwe kibonerezo cyo butije mu kanso y'Elizoba. Moses no bamutura okutwara enkono y'obushoborozi obwa speaker mu kanso yahwire.
Omakuru gita gacenchwiro mu kwezo kwire tukakurika katembe abiro mu kanso ya district ya Chenjojo obo Reverend Moses Atwiro rukansara we gombora ya Charusozi yakwasire ngo niyo bushoborozi bwa speaker kiruka nayo arukuhakana so kuhamya kwa Fred Bazarabusha okubache yamanu akachikwa kari kugabemero muri Chenjojo. Elizoba Chenjojo yabe ine kanso yo kuhendera inchuro kandi kuzaza kuterera shahi na zakasheshe Moses Atwire yaba yamazire kushitamo mu kanso arinzire kutensa na bakansara batayibe. Speaker wa kanse Ronald Karamaji yabataka mazire no kwahebugamba bibyo kwiguraho kutesa kwe Elizoba nokore opadumo yambi orukansa rwegombora ya Kanyegaramire okumanyisa ngo kanse takagumizemu Moses Atwire rumu kandi obwo yahirwe kibonerezo.
If the order you gave when we were here on 13th March over the misconduct of our honorable member Moses was cancelled and is allowed to be with us. If it is not like that, I beg the honorable council to support me and we go out, we leave the house for Mr. Moses because he showed misconduct. He turned this house to be a nonsense one. He blackmails our name that we are corruptors. We are almost fools to him.
Aha Lawrence Kariba urukansa rw'gombora ya Kigarare noho ya retere kiteswara kushabango besharinge bashohore Moses agume muwe ngo mu kanso kandi bakansara bachagera.
Mr. Speaker, sir, depending on the above gross misconduct for the honorable member, I beg to move that the honorable member of this other house temporarily march out in protest against Honorable Atwire Moses misconduct and in solidarity for protecting the independence and integrity of this council.
Echakurata uko abakuriyo kwesharinga nuko bakansara kushora bakasiga Moses mu kanso wenka.
But we move out in a protest of the veterans.
Byona biri kugenda misho Moses Atwire yagezeho kushaba speaker kumuhumgisha kwehozaho beat speaker ya Yanga.
You have not heard from me. You have not heard what I'm saying in regard to this. I have not given my response. You suspended me. You wrote to me. I wrote back. There is nobody who has given me replies to my letter after writing back to you, Reverend Speaker.
Moses anho yarugiro mu mbera akahera speaker hamwe na chairman w'entebe ya katano nangwa na mukuru w'abakozi urugire kugenda ngubona n'abashomanguzi.
But Reverend Speaker, corruption is here. Corruption is here. It is in this council. You yourself have been accused of corruption. The chairman, all the entire whatever. In reference to the saga of the Secretary Service Commission, your name was mentioned, Speaker. The name of Chairperson Erosipei was mentioned. The name of Cow was mentioned. So the suspension here, I know there is conflict of interest in this matter.
Bintu byoro turaba kandi gukora tubaze ibintu biri musana gukora ibintu bya mazima ku district yetu Benga Boys tagiye kandi dumazero tugitiye tutungiri barari kanso yo hata tugera bakasala zibiri mu January mu ofisi yangu bagamba cyamani tugira senti ukumanya tubabana hata bakugamba kutunga bilioni abantu batusaba amago tugiha. Yes.
Bwanyuma Moses yashohora kandi speaker aragira ngo yingiza kanso zikingwe.
I have decided
to go to court and fight for my right and fight and stop this nonsense from happening again. Kwa hivyo mbagamba yenu kanso yukumalira nka mukisanja kino baitu already have been humiliated boli bakantera banta munkomu barabyaho ebintu byabo n'obwire obwa kanso buragiwe butakozireki burabiro kandi ninsaba na district ekimanye ntingo hati nubo rwatandika
umukanseji bayunguze imbarira y'obuhumbi 590 n'obukikuru 5 umuganda nkaga yo kanso ya district ya Kagadi erizoba yaba makavuyo kandi bakansara baba barahache kwedu kure bukonde ababba abantu bakanise cyo kugita nshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe aha order paper kandi bayanga kuhinguza order paper okisiyo speaker yahinduramu
but that the decision I have taken, and this is not the first time. What is your interest? You wait for a matter on we cannot stop a matter from executive. Let it come on order paper, then you refuse it. Procedure.
Bamwe batinisereza no kutera chairman karacho mu kugumiza munaje mesereza kurabye bigendererwa bye.
Then ekindi nka land board of course ba members babati neshonga konka ni of course nk'abantu abesimbire twatwina abantu bitrustinga ngo bashime ko barakora ki barakora imirimo toraleta abantu abokora nanye uri kuza kuruga mu office osigeze mebiro 5 ngo rugemu azoka baleta ngo tubarabyo
ebiro mukaga umwezi gwa 5 2026 tubagena kanso yo kumarira batigendero kyayo kubayire kurabya budget kandi turabizega budget ya bilioni 5 it was one of the motion. However hero motion zizindi ibiri ebe yo kufiringa emyanya ebayire created hairwaro because we have hospital management board abantu basate because bakomuka bakansara batayiremo ga the rate of resignation. I felt this being the last council on my part nyine kukora the needful filling gaps ezo nuko ntasiga baraija bakasanga harimo existing gaps so mbaye ni nkoreke nseme ikora ka chairman wa district
bakansara nibetombu itara chairman ndibwami okwenda kurabye ebigendererwa bye nko muntu bititwagambaho na wabiro kumugambwaho kanso ejihona yahinguze mbarira yo buhumbi 5 n'obukikuru ahabwe mbarira yo mwaka gw'ebye sente gw'2026 2027 gashakwa Daniel Bingana na Thomas Tumwebaze.
Kari mwebare abanyamakuru bitu omu district ya Shema abashubuzi omutawuni ya Kabwohe abarukose za Gonje nangwana naba barukusika za Chapati n'abarukutecera amahanda nyekironi betumbitira kanso ya Shema municipality ahabwe mishoro y'ekishobobo eyibabatireho burizoba nubagira ngo sente zibarukubashaba tabarukuzikora kandi munangwa tuzirukwetegerezebwa kurunje.
Abashoboza bababine kasanga yekinaga batugira ngo abakanso burizo bano babashoroza mushirengero 10 buri umwe kandi abandi babihamwe 36 buri mwaka nubagira ngo uko batazibahire nabakwate ibintu bye
hija omwana bamweta China no mutezi wa RC ndijo bamweta nkubito mshija mango wibondo ndijo no bamweta Yusufu nubo batukashishizwa abantu babero twazo mu rukiko bagira ngo abenyamano bakombaha 10,000 akatogona Chapati nza ku bantu 10,000 rero Gonje ne hashiringiro 10
omwihanga gitu tushaba abeshitinisa tuyamba ababashija bakanso nkubito na timu ye yagenze yaronde bishija bya Kanyama nibikushanga mudara byenda kukwata na yibere kwato munshaho akuja ngo utakwenda kumereza sente cyakota gariko ni nyishiriza ni mangu president akemera yaja ngo shauri yako abantu bashauri yako tachibendo na wadeshiringi 10 nimbuza ego mushoro kubagerekera hamwe ahagati kandi mango mushoro mbagereka mu kwa makaga eze sente mtwara shatana makaga imbuza kwereza umwaka ne yati
batugira ngo nubashashora no mushoro gwa kasasiro bitungo mu kubanza abaruko gushoroza bakaba batabahaza rusite ngo konka kuwabiro gamba bakaba bakutera batyo begendera
tukushaba president oturebere nkubito na timu yeye mutuganyire ito tugabantu bahasa kuba tuyine parish mode sente za parish mode tuyentuzuro atkunda hereze nkubito burizo bashiringiro kumeza parish mode mu president 7 karazi tuyine za kafuna tuyine roni zituyine school fees zabana
nyiratinga jimazere mu bwire bwinji konko mushoro kubatire ho nyine cyubuzo washanga ninteke sefori yari kurugamo imitware 2 okenda ngo nyoshiringira 10 rwa buri izoba hati nyowe nkanyatandikire busa nimba ninzaganyirwa mu kahi
twagambaho n'abebembezi ba Kabuhe division kandi batugira ngo abari kushoroza umushoro niberondere byabo ngo habo kuba kanso teine cyeri kumanya hanshungeji
bakakireta mutwacanga twabamanisa president akiyo umushoro go kushoroza abantu basari yabo konka twe turyaho abantu bijana batwehurira abo kutugambira ubemba bijyo sente umuntu washanga no yashinje 10 rwa burizoba nikimanyisa ngo mwaka nimtwasha tuna mukaga umuntu wasari yako no mimtwasha tuna mukaga pa mazi munazihana
abantu abakora za tundinyira President Museveni w'Kitinisa akagambe kigambo cye kandi ejo tugitwara nka order abo kumukuratara yagira ngo abantu becura bakora nguto tutakagarika kubiya sente kubasoroza kansho kene kimanya ngo basoroza umusoro go gwayemerera kwihobwe kandi cye kiteka tego kutwabe turiyaho mwami nk'umuto bakireta mu kansho yitu ya Kabuhe division ba councilors na executive bacanga ngo akuba president cye kintu akaciyaho cyayanga kuraba mu soko tube turiyo twahora abantu betombwita ngo basoroza siringira 10 rwa buriciro twabajya ngo turi kukimanya ko mwebembezi nk'ababembeza barebera mu so tuzumerera abantu abakwiza bakiya abantu abesente kansoteri kuchimanya
twabitamwe nkito twaza ha municipality tabonekera ko washema municipality nukwe kutugira ngo namazima president umushoro gw'abantu abakagwihaho ngo konke cyakabohe abire nakimanya
ine mishoro ya president yabihireho kanini bakushashura konka tutamaka kanso tugamba n'abantu bitu that's why we are local leaders ntutama actually abashubuza abo no babe stereo bichirezana na kanso kandi bakandi bashashura so hati division mazima yaza twaza kubihamhande zo kandi aza kubagambira batashobora kubiha sente akuba that's an illegal business
ekibuze kitafu na kigarukwamo nicyo kugira ngo aba division aho businesses ziri tubara kumanya aho sente ziri kushoroza ubwa ziri kuza kandi aba municipality bagira ngo babire no bagezesa ukureba sente zakubasa kurugamo gasha kwa Mike atwacire
webare Mike atwacire we ishabarisa uwitware ryambara Lambert binumugisha yashabirumbere rwo mwishongoza uranganwa John Bosco Kazora umukereziya eyanya mtanga cathedral oguyasimwa abo kurangira amakuru marunji okurabira mu kweshongora ekigasire munonga abikiriza umwitware ryambara
Misa yo kushabira umubiri gwo mwishongozo ranganwa John Bosco Kazora yayibimbirwa ishabarisa witware ryambara Lambert binumugisha OYC yo kushasha kwi no kwekeriziya yona abo kuferwe manzi no kukumuriza bekaye
kama abendo ya musuwani abaye zamani umurugendo umwazamu abayabuzayi abekaye banywanyi be abishunguzi ijambo cy'ubazurwo nabo bikubona nabishunguzi
yagira ngo rweto rwo kweshongora rugasira bikiriza nyamwingi umwitwareri nangwa no munsi yona
gushiriza ukurahanga byamateka tekire mbwino hati dushaba mukama murabimwire ngwe kandi azukiriziya nyarushu itawaho nyarushu eyumwigu
yashobora ko ari kumanya ko Kazora yishongwire byishongoro nyamwingi ebyina makuru minja garukwera bikirizo kwera hina ruhanga
Regarded as a lion, a Chinese chunchu, a lion of Nyankore Chika, liturgical music.
Abana be n'omukazi we bamugambaho nk'obirage omushije manzi orukubakunda kandi babashomise bagamba kufa kwe kandi haferira birahereze kugitwa habiro byo kweza 25 byo kwaka ni 2026
wabya maborasha bishana sharimwe nitwega nakasheshe yanjira naterwa umutwe niterwa umutwe mu yisho twatera dokta we dereso amuka je amukoro aho amjere ubana umukira ubana umukiza sente ubana umukiza sente uba uri omwe
When we do Gabana, we are very, very much happy and appreciating your grace.
Ishabarisa hona yashaba bikerezo kumwegeraho na mnongo mukoresa kurunje bicyonje mukama yabahire misa yo
webare Aidan Bataringaya mukama umugenzi amuhereze ecumuro curunje murebi witu wa TV Stumurunji nkusima aho kuturebera hona kandi webare na no kutorana kureba amakuru gita gacencwire katumureho tugarukana amakuru agandi
wegese nibikushikibwaho
Chitagata Farm Institute. At Chitagata Farm Institute, we offer practical hands-on training in modern agriculture.
Olusimulekera abana okulaba TV the whole day. Okulaba TV, it's not good. Tekiyigiriza abana. Waliwo programs abana zibatayina okulaba. Waliwo ebikora abana bajja kuyigira ku TV kitali kirungi. So okolabe programs eziri ku TV, omanye negenda kuyigiriza omwana, egenda mwongerako ki ejobolekera omwana okulaba. And you have to monitor these kids. Kubanga abana bakisobola okukyusa program eri ku TV, they know how to play a remote ni bachusa program eziriko. So mbadde mbasa mu monitoring waba tobeera naye you talk to this maid wobola bat maid tajja kukola kyoyogera soko mujje ku TV bafune emizannyo emirala.
Obuhabuzi ahabyo bwegesi bw'abantu bukukibwaho
Chitagata Farm Institute.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MDCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Manager, ogito wagito. Ko kama tumuchidara, kama takajiremu. MC takiziri. DJ atumwe na wearing ebyoma. Tugumisize shanki ibiri.
Bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Byo ni shara cake tukaza kunyumba.
Nawa pension na nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yoka. Oyine mbogo kana bamurungi ayibambe nikorera. Ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
byokwomeka byongera koroba kankwanjurire ankole Crazy Limited abara kubumbira byokwomekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ibindi bingi kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalore tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo rero bakwinira amatafari ga buri muringo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otebwe partitioning blocks obumori buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii Malta Double Pompeii mwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole Crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugeine barakoza technology rispiria echo nabyombeche changale nkabendera ya Uganda bashangali mayiro 8 mbarara kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga ankole Crazy Limited tugende twombeke.
Are you passionate about farming? Do you want to turn your land into a successful and profitable venture? Then your journey begins at Chitagata Farm Institute. At Chitagata Farm Institute, we offer practical, hands-on training in modern agriculture. You will learn real farming skills through activities like fishing, cattle keeping, goat and sheep rearing, piggery, beekeeping or apiary, among others. We also train you in crop production such as banana growing, vegetable farming and coffee farming, as well as urban farming for those with small spaces. You will gain knowledge in agro-processing, helping you add value to your farm products and increase your income. We are welcoming students for the 2026 intake and registration is ongoing. For more information, please call us on 0772 247488.
Hayes Recruitment Experts Jobs Abroad. Kandi nitumanyisa abantu mwena nguni tucinde abantu binji abashije n'abakazi abujona bishiki emyaka 21 okwisari 85 okwera Kenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service, airport security, aviation stewards, check-in agents, landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners. Hayes Recruitment niyo company esinjira zindi zono mu Africa okuhereza emirimo ey'obujunanizibwa omwaka ogutuherize okwehandikisa n'okwabusha free registration amataji gitugona esimu not mushanju ina not emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga ninga not mushanju ina itano itano
Echiro chisisire chireche Rose from Nempaka Shekaronje Para see a rose spring a rose farm Ejini biti Tokuro bisas mukasheshi Nikukoma sajingo mchiro chuna
Renko mwerere n'umfaratsi bw'umutendo kandi nuguhangara umugongo ombero gurukushasha okubiyamaje kigambe bakwecho urkwena Resform insiye biroto birunji
Kuruka yuko mu butumwa bw'abashubuzi twagumizamo na namakuru agacenshira geceka citi ca kabiri abatura umuri Kisenyi hamwe na Ajipu aho mu Rurembo urwambara betombuitire imbere ibaruturamo bwanyuma y'emufurege ukwigara kandi ubwa hati enjura kweru kugwa ebicweka byabo byijora namizi hamwe na nemitunga
umucwekeci numwe hari emyanya nka geto eri kuturwamo abana bahanguto kandi n'abandi bantu abarukorera emirimo yabo omwanya ogwo enjura kwera kugwa amezi gijora no maka g'abantu ahubwo kugira ngo emiforege ekigaro bwa kare na kare
benshi tundi cye turimo wano tekipinyize nyinshi yawo okujja ko abantu abalimu beetaaga kubayigiriza mwe basobola okubeera ku mabbali g'omwala guno kubanga babulwamu obukyafu bungi beetaaga kuyonja oba kanso eyandikuyambyeko nesooka nesomesa ku bantu ababeerawo
embeera y'okubanga y'ebimotoka ebitwala kasasiro bitini si bye bingi ate n'abantu basobola okubanga basobola okudampinga mu kasasiro eyo naddala bano abatambuze kudampinga mu kasasiro sibalina kudampingwamu ki kasasiro.
George Kabubi chairman wa Ajipusero nagira ngo yiriwe emifereje okwigara hariho ubundi buremezi oburi kuteganisa omwanya ogwo
n'abino basura mu kasasiro omuntu yanyandibadde w'okubiri ni kanso kubanga kanso yatusuubiza dda nti egenda kuzimba omwalo ogwo kubano gye gutandikira paka eri gye gulaga era emirundi mingi tubadde mu nkiiko netubabuulya ne bagamba katugere tulabe engeri gye banaakola gye gunaakolebwamu naye tukuumye ne tukuuma sina kulaba kiki kigenda mu maaso.
Hoona naagira ngu abantu nabo biina akakwate aha burofu buri omu kyanga eki.
N'ab'omu tawuni abali eri Kasasiro nagira enkuba ng'etonye. Kasasiro najja omulundi gumu kati n'abulookingira awo baakoma kuba waliwo ebibaatibaati waliyo ebipapulapapula ebikutiya tulina n'abaana bana tulina ekizibu ky'aba street kids agenda n'ayagala anoonye sente zanaalya n'agenda n'asanga ekutiya n'atwala Kasasiro n'amuyiwa mu kifuleji.
Paulet Karungi ow'ebyamagara muri Mbarara City nagira ngu enshonga egi naagimanya ngu kandi bariyo nibaza kutandika ekikwekweto okumaraho obuzibu obwo.
Site zoona nituija kuba nitukora obuyonjo twaho muri Mbarara City twatandikire nabwe n'esande lyahwire tukaija activity ekakorwa ninteera omuranga abanyambarara n'abanyayuganda bantu bamureke tukore ki tugaruke enyuma tweyonje buri rwa mukaaga abingi abakozi b'emirimo nduba turi omu maka gaitu tugende tuze aha byaro byaitu tukwatanise n'aba LC1 tweyerere tweyonje.
Gashakwa
ari waswa omu district ya Lyantonde habarukireyo obutikirizana ahabwa office eya service commission okumara emyaka 2 etari kukora.
Hariho emichenjano n'obuteekyerezana hagati ya civil service technical na political wing omu kushuganisa obuheereza ahabw'okuba akakiiko karikwemarira karikugaba emirimo omu district ya Lyantonde.
Ekisaawa eno n'abaagaana luli ebigambo byeboogera olaba nga bikola ki n'ekyokubiri nti bwe tuba tuteesa ebintu bino bamunadde bannange njagala twejjemu embeera yinza okuba nga Faida naganese naye saagala gwoteesa olage Faida aganye mutuleetera empalano n'abantu kubanga wetuteesa wano wabeera okugwiza n'okukola ki naye emisazi walyogedde naye mulimu abadde bakola sensitivity aziifu egamba twagaana n'omutima omuki omubi.
Ntwenda service commission tutandika kukora emirimo ya district hati izine erindi imwe erimwareeta eritariakirizi rirari kurota kurireeta kitoreka akiriza akakora esitatifika sa kuriya ritariho ninga n'omugisha gwakirizi kwija omukansi omurundu rwa Kangayi manya abantu mwe esitatifika sa ebyo bintu by'omunsi n'ebyokusigaho district ya Lyantonde kituragishabire kukikyenjaniramu.
Secretary, Mr. Speaker, nimpotefu muyaba nyakore nibagirango omushiisha ahinduka hakisandata ahinduka abini nashashagura ngo abantu bahinduka abini nyowe ndituburamye iridi akirizi izina rye nkaryanga habweshonga y'ibagamba kandi nigenda kuguma aha side ya resolution yanjye egina yakungiza omukansi kubiri. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Ofisi ya Service Commission yamara emyaka 2 batine chairman w'akakiiko kandi abarukukora obwa hati obwire bwabo bukahwayo kare.
Also, is ordinarily a resident in the district, has a minimum qualification of advanced level, as the equivalent, and both is a diploma from a recognized institution.
Akakiiko ka Service Commission kakabanza kwebemberwa Habert Rwensheshe na bwanyuma hakurataho Morendo kurungi kandi hata akakiiko tikine chairman n'emirimo yakwe siyarire.
You have been paying us in time. That's number one. And when the quota comes, you normally give us all our money. Mutubanjo kista. Akwanki express apate mtuari kuna mshahara lechweka. Ukati hakansa rumbi hakubyo pesi kumwe. Aide school fees. Ni mumtere makasha. But when the quota comes, you pay all our express plus sitting plus committee. Ka school fees mutakasha sho.
Mukuru wa district ya Lyantonde Fred Mahanji nagira ngo bareke kwekwasa buri umwe akora umurimo gwe barujyo mu ruhuzyo.
I want to repost this honorable council mwimbazo mwarwari umuri mbazo mwarwari exireti eriyo okuya habasha bwiki baba ndakwenda kora kurati abantu wake mbazi zirenda National Medical Stores hati negeretere mbazo mubiki okuya habasha bwiki baba ndakwenda kora kurati
Biliyoni 27 nizo zahinguza bwahawe mbarira ehenkumi 26 okusinkumi 27 gasha kwa Sande K William.
Webare Sande K William yo district ya Kabarore batungoza umurimo gukombeka seed school omuri Chiko Town Council. Seed school ejo neja kumaraho esente biliyoni 3 hamwe na miliyoni 200.
Okutongoza umurimo ogu kushyikiroho mukuru w'entebe ya katano ahawa district ya Kabarore Richard Rwabuhinga Boki n'abakuru ku rwo ministry y'ubwegese n'emzano. Seed school egi neja kombeka mu town council ya Chiko ahansi y'enkora ya Uganda Secondary School Expansion Project.
Kandi ati tukwasa mu butongole contractor site handover certificate yamazire kutayibwaho umukono Chief Administrative Officer
was 3,224,060,000 Ugandan shillings. The duration of this project is 10 months, starting from May 2026 up to March 2027.
But we cannot settle for less. Program we want quality work, we really mean it. Engineer, our ministry. Hano wait to the chairman Ruben Nimoza kusigana kwa kesenge so. Hano tusiyese vyombe kwa jinga jingiri. Asiye kubebe saka vili kwa tatu. Narayo kwa tatu. Kabuzabarwe uko bayifokasenda akasange cyomba ko kera ring beam yonka ground beam tagitere na squata suru to access twajigana ground.
Empatane okombeka seed school egi ehiro aba Eco Communications Limited kandi okombeka nkuza kumara mezi 10 gonka.
Ngenda kubanyiheza ngo ELTR project kuonka kokura ngo iziri somero ngo ibyombeke byajya kuombekwa baitu nkaitwe ndugirora ngo kirokene twajya kukingura ubwomezi oburungi obwo mu maiso ubwabana baitu.
We already doing some work on establishing a board that will be responsible, and with the time we shall again share notes with the people responsible for that. Otherwise, we are grateful.
Abebembezi ba town council ya Chiko beina maskongo ekinishije kutungura ibyo bwegese om district.
Umurungu kabatanga no kandi urede bino muri mu gotandikire kiko tungere kubizuke ngo mwongere kuterezerero. Urede wait RDC site nambere bakutera blocks nambere bagera kutanga blocks zo kwonda iri kiko mu isoko nabo kandi twasanga challenge Tubaine hantaro 3 phase line kandi machine zabo zitaga amashanyarazi amenye.
Rero rino umusingi bwekelezi. Kwitwandi nilizaro isomere bakweta kigara matalents. It is not a seed secondary school built out of the blue. It is building on a foundation that was started way back in 1978 by Monsignor Thomas Kisembo Abud.
Gasha kwa Jonan Tsingwire.
Webare Jonan Tsingwire we myaka nkaga na mukaga akwasurwe polisi umurika shadi umu district yambara kandi na Junano abo kuhinga njayi okwasurwe amanyerwe nkarwe ntalo Pasco.
Owe myaka nkaga na mukaga akwasirwe polisi omurika shadi omuchikwe kweteke bembirwe superintendent of police bya mukama Benoni. Baichoro makago muguriso rwa Toro Pasco kandi bashanga hingire hikaye njayi
omuruhunga tufuna information
ubumenyi bw'amateka abana ku abaziye kurwana n'abana na other cases. So kuni naka intelligence report ngo hariho umusoro gw'enjayi ogutari legally accepted nugwe abavuka naka n'abana bitu the youth bakwija bakagura enjayi.
Omu Uganda okuhinga enjayi nobo ikirizibwe government.
Mu mateka ga Uganda enjayi ne ikirizibwa konkano ta kugihinga in license kandi licensed by authorities. Konka ababa banagikwata bagihereza abantu baburijo which is not allowed.
Nyakukwatwa yagira ngo enjayi egi niye twire neshomesa abana be kandi no kubisa hwekaye.
Kimwe cyone cyanjye ni ikikora
oyire muco mukingo enjayi
shumisa abana banje taroki shumisa abana
hona nagira ngo abire na yetebenkanisa kuronde bihandiko okubasa kumwikiriza kugihinga mu butongore abatura basima police ahabwe cwekwetwe eki
gishayi uko betabwira icyaro beno ushanga abasigazi kari na mwonka habusera umutuduka twitu abasigazi babo batacukora kwebisaho akabe nakora kona shanga na kareta kujanga afuna kashurugutu naho kuyaba
trading center Karuhunga Katoma mube nushanga abana bakurisa enjayi mu bakubana bari eshazo mwaziyo umwana nutaki mugamba ho yari isize enjayi nkebyo mbweno
so imwe nkabembeze cyo bateganise kita cyabana kurisa enjayi imwe
umwana no mugambira atakahura
feel free the What has happened? Ogu atwirwa polisi ya Bwizibwera kandi no kutwarwa mu koti okurugirira har DPC nde Evans Taremwa abwa TV West agacencwire
bare Evans Taremwa murebe bito murunje ntongera kusima webare aho uri kuturebera hona kandi na no kutorana kureba TV West twazagaruka tumureho ntugaruka namakuru agande.
Gomba ogutebeka nisibwe ba Swift Initiatives Limited omuchayi kache kambarara ufutandika niburu 26 ebyo kwezi kwa mukaga okwisebura bitano ebyo kwezi kwa mushanju omwakogo aha main gate ne 12 zonka no kuleba nyamishwa ne 12 zonka abana b'amashomero aha main gate eshiringira 10 kandi kuleba nyamishwa na zone 10 zonka mngena b'amakorera amahango hamwe n'amace abaza banks telecom companies za companies zikora byo kunywa abahinja abatunyi n'abarisa abari kora byo mikono abari kushubura imyenda enkeito abamabara n'amahotel n'abari kosa za mucomo amashomero n'amatendekero mwena ni mwetwa nije murebe nyamishwa engabia embarasi uruziramire ubunyankogote maya ugonya nenjeya babuniga abana mwarya face painting swimming pool y'abana bouncing castles rero sakasinse y'umurembe egali yo mweka y'abana uri kwenda kubukinga akasimu noti mushanju 2 anana mukaga kinana na mukaga
nitukwanjurira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management ishomero lyonka eri cyashingireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aharurengo urwa certificate na diploma diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Rero bagaruka bashomesa certificate na diploma in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri eri in medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu library eyomurembe computer ze kikacha higuru kandi byemizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry eyobwegesiye na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyokutambuza abeji ebyombeko ebyomurembe hamwe no mwanya rugogoma go kushomeramo ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurunji nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isinjiro odaka kiro mutahuni ya kaberebere okumanya biri kukiraho note mushanju 2 kaga na mushanju 32 mukaga nemo Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. We strive for quality health.
Waba tukuzisemamo noteganisibizo waliona
Bro, mwina mka change. Madam mka change. Boda papa.
yiharo kuteganisa wizoba ryona kozesa momo app ningashinyiga *165*3# kushashura nabwanyima oshemerera kushashurira busha aha bishare bya hansi yashirinje 15 agoni gomanyiga momo.
taha mubuze buryo omwe cyari kunywa atandikanywa ha biriyani
mukama wanje torkwitenga kubuza abantu bona baremiyari papa flavored vodka
niye kwasireyo papa vodka niye kwasireyo iwe gendo girondero zaho hurire dore kuza kunywa kindi muntu we owagikoze ro mugusha gurimo enuzire teine munahango batakuteza moto takusinza papa flavored vodka simple sweet.
Yantore School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetabeje bwena abaheriza senior ya kanane ya mukaga kwisha kwehanditsa habwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obzarusa na lab technology omwejero kwenda umwanya oshemere kubushyikiro kubarana urujungu hamwe n'ebya science iwe kwenda kushoma diploma oshemere kuboyine certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire myaka 2 mu field buri mweje na hawo mugisha go kushoma gani mashomo ga teknolojia kumwongera umugisha go kuhakanara nyensia nka scanning na sonography lab technologies business na vocational skills na byo bitakwibiri basaries zichiruho mugiro bwira ishomero nirishangwa ryantonde haruguto rwa Kampala mbarra kandi kumayibiri kukiraho terano tumushanje 8 mukaga nshanje ni 3 nshanje ni 5 ashatu na
4 imwaba ryo muri birengo izoba
you are in the western Uganda
hona holi
wherever you are
ebiro 8 gwa katano
on Friday 8th
nitwenda okujaguza hamwe
we want to celebrate with you
ija ruhanga akushika amajuta
come the Lord will anoint
orebe kitinisa cha ruhanga
and you behold the glory of the Lord
echabo muri Kampala nikiza kuba no muri Mbarara
what has happened in Kampala will also happen in
Mbarara ruhanga naza kwimusa echo ekijyo muri
we elevate that which is inside
injuka okwijojwire ebijwaro ebya
remember you have to come dressed up in white
ruhanga bampero mugisha
bakunda
munonga
I love you so much
amen
in
the name of
Bagen Nursery and Primary School ishomero rya dena boarding ahabwa bojo nabishiki hato myaka 5 abeji bitu basinjire bigeza higuru munonga nitutungure talenta zabeji omusoka academy yitu harimo ba coach abo mutindo manyeno mupira kina bari kutwepimamo otebirwe music dance and drama nebindi Bagen emico n'edini byona nitubifaho ebina no buraro byona nibyo mutindo kandi nibihango abana tibari kufundirerwa ibyo kwerinda birya higuru sheri nibibasukira bazire emitwaro 55 ahabwa boarding okwandika beje hati ni kugenda omisho Bagen Nursery and Primary School yantonde hometown esimu note mushanje note 3 kinana nemwe chenda neina note emwe
cooking all that makes food sweet tastes so good like mama's kiss sweet tamasana yeah stir gold is the oil you cooking oil for a tasty meal to live a healthy happy life. Stir golden, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Wota kulise MTN momo no gumirwa okusharamu yetandara ukuca mu kugumire kozesa momo app ningashinyiga *165*3# kushashura nabwanyima oshemerera kushashurira busha aha bishare bya hansi yashirinje 15 agoni gomanyiga momo.
Start something new, something uplifting, something so effortless and golden. A thirst-quenching burst of sweetness and multi-flavor. So rich and full of memories. It's 100% taste, zero alcohol. Try it, savor it, feel it elevate every moment. Sip after sip, gulp after gulp. After all, life's about turning ordinary thrills into golden chills.
Start something malty with the new Evervest Malt Apple and Pineapple. Try the burst of sweetness and malty flavor. It's 100% taste, zero alcohol. Available in a shop or supermarket near you. Evervest Malt. Make every moment golden. Evervest Malt is from the makers of Pepsi Cola in Uganda.
There's a new way to keep your breath fresh all day. Introducing Movit All Day Toothpaste, meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal. And the herbal delivers natural strength for healthy, confident smiles. Choose Movit All Day Toothpaste and enjoy freshness all day.
yuko mbutumwa bw'abashubuzi omu gacenshira gicweka cite cha muheru ihangwe rye rizoba abareberezi abarukora Greater Ankole babuganaho okwetebekana zo kujaguza emyaka 9 eyenjiri ningashi revival omuchange cha Ankole okuvuga nuku kwakorerwa aha bureberezi obwa Ankole omuruharo aho mu rurembo rwambara
abareberezi kurgomareberezi gatarigamo na gamwe omuri Nkole nebo bebembiremo ehuru eji nibagira ngo betebekanise ekirikumara
omwaka 2026 tuzubani twijuza emyaka 9 kwiha okujunwa kwija omuri Nkole
so nishaba mukama ngo atwatse twabantu tujaguza emyaka 9 twabantu twijo omukutera no tumanye amani g'ekigambo cya Ruhanga eri kituretere kuca appreciatinga kandi tukishome kandi abo tugende tukigambira abandi aho kacina amano mukora
abareberezi banje kushobora awaci nibajaguza emyaka 9 yenjiri chet revival omucanga cya Greater Ankole
abagwirero hariho kugira ngo abantu bona umugwirero mwaka jya twena tugwire ko nkanyuma biteremo amani ngwena abantu bona bayine history bayine testimony ko kananye nkambiteremo amani nkaba ari umugwirero wo kuretsa nkaba ari umugwirero wo kushambana nkaba ari umugwirero wo kuzina yukani imagine kutaha ubugenya abantu bona bakashitama ngo bose kayi babashitamisa ngo beni waza nawe nkiraro iraro kunkani nyenda kwebaza Ruhanga nanyugo wahindura abandi nanye yataha myampirura that's why amuya nyenda kumbasimira nabo cyo ntwijuka
okujaguza oko nukutekatekwa kwikaho abantu abarengere omitwaro mushanju kurwo mihanga Uganda na heru yaho
yakweta ombugenyo bw'ikigambo cya Ruhanga ijorye kanye nabagambira nzakugera buffet buffet no mujimanya buffet y'ekigambo cya Mukama okusebera 23 okwezi kwa 8 2026 akashozi ahaka kuri munonga akaruharo utekwasa kwasa ejenjuri tekwa buri izoba
ibyona byahendera abareberezi barukushaba obushagici ariyo wena ariyo nareba omukorogo bagutekatekire kwija kuhezaho billion emwe sente za Uganda
tubeta Mukama bareteje kwije mu rengiri izina rye rihimsubwe otazo munsomu ukashemererwa murera muhero akaferwa magara gatabaho oine mbuzi oine ente oine nkoko oine umuceri oine biha byona ntubyakira
omugande Reverend Father John Baptist Kule chairman wakachiko ko kutebekanisa emkoro yo kujaguza ikiro cy'abajurizi hari na mugongo abwa diocese ya Kasese basima government abo bweze bwa billion 2
grateful to the government of Uganda who has the government of Uganda, the President of the Republic of Uganda, Kaguta Yoweri Museveni, who has ably assisted our planning and preparations with 2 billion. And as a diocese, we have mobilized other resources up to a tune of around 600 million.
Ekitongole cha MTN Uganda nabo basimwa bwanyuma kukwatiraho obureberezi na miliyoni 20 okonja kubahwera ko muri ngumwe uba kutebekanisa emikoro yo kwishika ikiro cy'abajurizi.
We are here today in Kasese
to hand over our contribution to Kasese Diocese worth 20 million shillings. And also we are going to support the pilgrims with jackets and drinking water to enable them move from Kasese up to Namugongo on 3rd June.
We cannot thank them enough. We pray that God will bless them and they will grow to greater heights and even serve the whole world to better heights through our prayers.
Ekiro cy'abajurizi nikija kuziba buri biro bishatu by'ukwezi kwa mukaga ebya buri mwaka. Omugande omureberezi w'obureberezi wa Fort Portal ayigwira omushomo gw'abashwerine okutebekanisiibwe ab'ekigombe kya Kaana kandi bagira ngo oguno gw'abashwerine bonka.
Kristo kurungi tyono ndakufana we takarozire ngasose bakutwarangana ndakufura injana ijweri bazatujamo
ekyo kukonyera abantu abali mu fumbo okwikara no kurungi no kukuza kurungi abana bavo no kuguda haze eklezia no kuguda zihanga kandi ekigambo Kaana nikirugira omuvanjiri ya Yohana omutwe gwa kabiri orukara rwo kubanza garukira harwe 12 na mbere Yesu Kristo yakolire ekyamahano cyo kubanza
ndakusima program eje ya Kaana kandi ebembirwa bishop witu kandi nana abahereza bitu bona aharengo ready ni yitu en Kristo
ki Bishop Robert Muhirwa ninyongera kusima webale kwikiriza kwija kukingura omusomo gwa Kaana omudinari yetu ya Kamwenge
batwereza obuzuruzi kandi kitongera kwikiri okunihira ngaga maka ngeza ko cyo kureberaho gawigesa abandi bafumbo nyinshaka tugira makamarungi abantu bongera hantasya bongera umbana babo
twe okuba mushomogu tushemize munonga kandi okuturyo mwaka gwa Kaana
abagwetabiremo barugiro mbiceka kakitagwenda Kamwenje n'ahandi abantu bo kwija kumara ebiro bishatu omwanyogo abwa TV West ndise Nyomo Gideon Muhanguzi Gilbert na Anthony Atuine.
Kare mwebara abanyamakuru bitu cyekibine cha NRM okurabira mu mahandicho wacho Richard Todong chamanisa abanya-Uganda okucurukuza kuteka henyonyi ezekika cha drone zirabene zetorora omurembo rwa Kampala na n'emyanya ejetorire ziri kutambuza obutumwa oburukoreka ebikozirwe government ya NRM omu myaka 80 ey'amarombo ebembezi.
Let's take note of this, especially those from around Kampala. There shall be an aerial of a thank you message from the national chairman, and this shall be done by drones. They popularly call it a drone show. This shall be happening over the skies of Kampala. It shall happen on the night of Monday at 8 p.m. On the night of Monday, let's create awareness around this because people must receive this message. When the drones are flighted into space, they relay audio and visual messages, but the drones only last there for 14 minutes. So if people are not well aligned and informed, they might realize when the show is over. It is the first of its kind in the country, and this is what the NRM has also looked at as a way of appreciating our party members and the members of the general public.
We thought it is important that you come and witness this historical event, and that is why we have invited you. The function is totally in the hands of government. Our work as a party is to be witnesses to what is going to happen. And we want you to bring members from your districts who comprises the extended district conference. We are requesting you to bring members of the extended district conference from your district. In other districts, it might number to about 50 members, others might be 45, depending on the structures of the party in your district. There are districts with historical forums, there are districts with a veterans league, all districts have veterans league, but other districts are without historical league. And that is why our numbers will vary. So we shall request you, as will be guided by the National Treasurer and the Director of Finance and Administration, that you go back and mobilize those particular individuals, you bring them to witness this historical event.
A few things are being put right. We are about
kare twagumizamu RDC wa district ya Kikube Godwin Angaria yashabe impunjizi ryo mu Uganda okukora terebiragiro ebyo kurinda ebira hamwe n'ebindi by'obuhangwa.
RDC wa district ya Kikube Godwin Angaria okugamba ebi abira ryo mugenyi mukuru ha mukoro gwo kujweka beji ba Bishop Stewart University aho abantu 325 abarumwe impunji baherizo kutendekwa.
Some of refugees, you are very stubborn.
Baadhi ya wakimbizi wamoja mko kabisa wa guruguru.
Some of you are stubborn, you are encroaching my forest and
wamoja wenyu mko wa guruguru mnaingia kwenye forest yangu huko mnakata miti.
Chako,
mnakata makaa, mnafanya nini?
Here in Uganda we have laws.
Hapa Uganda tunazo sheria.
You have to respect the laws of the country which is hosting you.
Ni lazima uheshimu sheria ya nchi inayokaribia.
Tuko pamoja.
Conduct their training from Bishop Stewart University in Mbarara, while others do it from the artisans in the community here.
Baadhi ya wanafunzi wanafanyizia hapa na wengine wanafanyizia kwenye shule la kwenye University la Mbarara.
So as we gather here today, the different skills that have been passed on include salon and hairdressing, carpentry, fashion and design.
Angaria nagira ngo nibakimanya ngo impunji nizirabo mu mbere gumire ahabo kucendezwa kwe sente zabire nizibahebwa kurwo mu mpabuhwezi bitu betantaro kwendeberagiro bya Uganda.
Have challenges with finance, should do what, but we shall see how to handle as government.
Ninajua mnazo shida za uchumi lakini kama vile serikali tutaona kipi cha kufanya.
So I guide, please don't steal our solar panel from our partners.
So ninaomba msiibe hizo masola hizo zenye shirika zimetia za mwangaza.
Don't destroy my forest.
Wachito chukuru no kuhabantu emyuga yo kubasa kukoresa emikono yabo bakiha makasente kakababisaho nk'ekiharani omukubaza Europe omukuriparinga keito computer mu computer bakashara music bakashara ibintu k'ibyo byona bakabatunga bakabareberera.
Abatendekirwa mu project erkwetwa Refugee and Host Community Youth Empowerment and Transformation Initiative harimo abo mu kampu y'empunje ya Kyangwari mu district ya Kikube, abo mu kampu ya Rwamanja mu district ya Kamwenge na Nakivale mu district ya Singiro.
Terera abana binti basomere bagende bakuteke practice batabyama ubyama then it will be government ya kubahagira program zetu zifina ati courses basomere zizona bokurora emyoka na PDM
kuwatagana aba program eno eyo kugenda kusoma Mbarara Rich project ya byabyo kutwara Mbarara kusoma to applying basoma kurungi kasoma isomo ya catering and management ya rugiro uko twamaliza kusoma twamazire bakatoze cheka byokola mu internship our training our modules we have studied
on project age ebirenesha kwa Mastercard Foundation. Abantu 16 bahirwa bukugubwa agribusiness 93 bahebwa bukugubwa saloon 42 bahebwa bukugubwa oil and gas mushanju bashomere byo kubija 88 bashomera kushone biharani 87 bashoma kuteka kandi bonshanju na babiri bahirwa bukugubwa byo akanyabwenje gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.
Ambrose Katoto twazo makuru g'ibyemizano abavugi abarukuza kuvuga omumpaka za Part of Africa Uganda erizoba batunga obushagici obw'ebyo kunywa okorwa mu kampuni ya Inspire Africa Coffee okubahweraho omumpakezi omukoro ogwo kubahereza obushagici obu gwabahambuga nkure za factory egi omuri Rwashamire omu district ya Ntungamo.
Giving 30 boxes of cold brew.
Omukoro gwo kuhereza y'obushagici bw'ebyo kunywa gwakorwa Dr. Nelson Tugume mukuru wa company ya Inspire Africa Coffee waraganisa kugumana ashagika abavugi bomuzano gw'empaka.
Our friends, we no longer need to import any other drink. You know, coffee has the best caffeine to keep you energetic and keep moving. True. As a sports person, and this is what we're going to be focusing on to drive our sports and pushing our sports agenda.
Abavugi basima obushagici obwabahebwa nekwe koreka kuba rukwija kukora kurungi.
Then every rally driver will have to have this in their car. And the motorsport is the best sport to promote this. Yes. Because after Mbarara, we are going to Masaka. After Masaka, we shall go to Soroti, and we move with the fans. This is just a part of our team. Mbarara has over 100,000 people right now, all waiting for rally to start tomorrow.
Moroka kwegamba zo tuzesunze turudenga tuzesunga era tugenda ziraba paka lwezinagwa.
Ebyo bikiryaho omuvugi w'empaka z'emotoka okurwa mu district ya Bushenyi Tofa Katera nawe yaraganisa kwa kwenda kukora kurungi omu mpaka eze za Part of Africa ngo abase kutemba class arugwo mu yabira roho abase kuzo mu ya NRC.
Na wadogo wa Skoda imtini nogo nona binatiro mwaka section kamwe ni manyogo tamu ino nkandi mu class nawe nemhanderu mutaka chitina emotoka no mutuma emotoka no kujumanya experience iche motoka mpango tinchitina abo kuba average speed ni njumanya zabo zibukora ba Ford
nyina amasemerera mingi kusanga ngo paro bagitwetera Mbarara azabantu bagambira paro batakucenga kunkati paro no murundi gwa kabiri tugine Mbarara azerizoba twinemoka zamani munonga twina abatanzania twina abanyakenya twina abanyayuganda abasinasa twina abakongo.
Empakeze za Part of Africa Rally zatandikira izoba aho abavugi abamani babanu bahayanura emyanya eyibaratandikireho nyencyakare obw'empaka ziratandika mu butongore okusika zirahendere izoba ryo rwa mukaga.
Kare amakuru agacencuire abwo ngo twabasa kusyaho ahabwicire iki obanaga kusyaho ndi Elias Ritugusa hamwe na mutayi wanje Sande Brian o Rumi urwo bonero itwe twendeze kurara kurungi.